So, what are we going to get into today? Well, today is part 3 of our Double Oak Roasted Bourbon. All right, this has been a long time waiting. So what we'll see today is the oaking for the second time, and then we're going to bottle it, okay? So this will be pretty fantastic, and then I get a really good, I get to taste it. All right. Okay, so, and if I will try to remember to put a playlist up here so you can watch the whole thing, because it's been a few months. So let's get a little recap of what has went on. Well, number 1, we roasted our corn. Number 2, we made our bourbon pretty much as our standard bourbon. And then we put it on oak for 4 weeks. And then we took it off that oak and put in fresh oak for another 4 weeks. And that's the point we're at now. But you'll be able to see that coming up. You know, with a little bit of YouTube magic. All right, so first things first, I want to welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy, and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. All right, what else? Oh, hey, if you get a chance, please hit that subscribe button. It's down there somewhere. It really helps us out, and I would really appreciate it. All right, so now let's get started. Okay, we're going to start the video at the second oaking, then I'll be back, and we'll start to bottle this. Okay? All I want to do is more or less, I want to, and if it's a little bit of that oak left over, it ain't gonna hurt. We're gonna strain out the old oak. All right, let me get rid of these chips. And strain out the second one. Every last good drop. Okay, so now all we got to do, wait a minute. We got to give it a try, right? Don't I have to taste it? Damn. Now that is good. Okay, but it's going to get better. Oh, I like that. All right, so I'm gonna put 1 more ounce. I'm gonna pour it out. Okay, I'm gonna put 1 ounce in each jar, a heavy ounce. In each jar. There's 1. Oop. Ounce in that jar. Put a little on it. Okay. So now, what we got to do is we're going to give this another, I'm going to say 4 weeks. That's what I'm guessing. But it is going to be fantastic. It should be really rich in that oak taste. It should be rich in that, it will, that just taste of oak. I love it. All right. So, we'll see you back in about, let's say 4 weeks from now. All right. And then we're going to finish this up. We'll strain it out and we'll bottle it. And then we'll really give it a good try. All right. I'm really looking forward to this. Making bourbon is patience. And this is actually a very quick way. I mean, like the big guys, they're waiting 5 years. But this will be good quality bourbon that if you give to your friends, there ain't nobody gonna complain. All right. So, like I said, we'll see you in 5 weeks or 4 weeks. I'm sorry. Okay, let's get going. Look at that. Ain't that good looking? All right. So let's get this bottled. All right. So what we'll need is a couple bottles. All right, a couple funnels, and some coffee filters. I like to strain mine through double up coffee filters. I can get my fingers to work. Is it only 2? Yeah. All right. Wrong funnel. All right. Let's all right. Spilled a drop. That was terrible. All right, so we're just going to filter this out. I mean, nose on it is fantastic. I'm really looking forward to tasting this. And what I'll end up doing is, if I can help it, put it up on the shelf, try not to touch it for a while. Because I like to believe that it still does age in the bottle. All right, so let me get this filtered out. Let me get this filtered out and I'll be back. Okay, so I got it all filtered out. And I mean, ain't that a beautiful color? It is outstanding. All right, so now is the best part. All right. So I ended up getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and a half bottles. That's a little bottle. All right, like I said before, that is a beautiful color. I don't know if you can see that. Beautiful color. I got a distinct bourbon smell. I mean, I can almost smell the vanilla in it. Does that sound right? This is going to be good. Oh. It's really, oh, that is good. It's real strong, yolky taste. I can really taste the vanilla. It's got good oak flavor. Oh, just fantastic. It's just an intense bourbon taste. Oh, man. That is good. I think adding the fresh wood into it for the second oaking makes a real big difference. Woo! That is fantastic. All right. Well, that's the conclusion of our double oaked roasted bourbon. I mean, all them flavors just come together. That is one fantastic bourbon. If you would give that to your friends, everybody would really, really enjoy that. And it's only going to get better from here. All right. Woo! Fantastic. All right. I just want to thank everybody for watching this video or this series. So make sure you go back and watch it from the beginning. I think you really enjoy how we got to this point. So I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Cheers, everybody. Ooh, baby. That is good.